I taught my friends how to make chicken wings better than KFC's. For this recipe, we'll need 1 kilo of chicken wings. I'll cut them into smaller pieces. Next, I'll make some cuts with the scissors, like this. I'll transfer everything to a bowl. And we'll add 1 cup of beer into this ladle and bring it to a boil. Then, pour it over the chicken and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now I'll drain and set aside the chicken without the beer. Tell me your best chicken wings recipe. I'd love to know it. In a pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter, oil, and let it melt. I'll transfer the chicken wings to the pan and fry for 10 minutes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Angela Thompson from Tulsa. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Let's season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. In a bowl, I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and blend. Let's pour the sauce into the pan and mix with the chicken. Now I'll add 1 cup of beer, cover, and let it cook for 20 minutes. After making chicken wings like this, you won't want them any other way. It's easy and absolutely delicious.